Vice President Sara Duterte says the country must now move forward, admitting the possibility that her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, might not be able to return home while in the custody of the International Criminal Court. In a briefing on Thursday, March 20, the Vice President was asked what she feels about National Security Advisor Eduardo Año, who formerly served under her father's cabinet, on his alleged role in having the former president arrested upon his return to the Philippines. The Vice President says it is now pointless to harbor any feelings about his father's arrest.
Sa totoo lang, wala talaga akong nararamdaman. Hindi ako galit, hindi ako disappointed. Nothing at all. Kasi pointless naman na mag-harbor ako ng feelings about what happened. Hindi na siya maibabalik. Hindi na mababalik si Pangulong Duterte sa Pilipinas.
The Vice President then says the country should move on and determine what its next steps will be.
So what we should do as a country is move on from what happened. No? What will we do as our ways forward as a country and as a people from what happened? Magalit man tayo, walang papupuntahan yung galit natin. So we should move forward from what happened, and the country should decide, the people should decide saan ba tayo papunta base sa nangyari.
During the Senate probe on the former president's arrest, Año says that he has developed a close friendship with the former president, but he maintains that his loyalty remains to the country and not to any person. Año also denies that he was part of a grand conspiracy that hatched the plan of Duterte's arrest, nor that there is a group planning such. The ICC currently has custody of the former president after he was arrested and sent to The Hague for crimes against humanity he allegedly committed during his administration's war on drugs. He is scheduled for his confirmation of charges before the court on September 23, 2025.